Hi, Jeffrey.
How you doing?
Good. So, a couple weeks ago, we did a CornerLoc fusion on you downstairs.
Yes.
And so you've had CornerLoc pain for quite a while now.
Yeah, a couple car accidents.
You've had several car accidents, and that's been plaguing you for years now.
Oh yeah.
Which side did we do?
The right side?
So, and I mean, I know we had talked about doing a CornerLoc fusion for a while, and we finally got to a position where we could do it insurance-wise.
Mm-hmm.
And but we've been doing injections, but they were only lasting for
30, 40 days.
30, 40 days, and we just keep coming back.
Yeah.
And what was your pain like? Well, how did it interfere?
The
with
pain
your
was when I was golfing, everything would be fine. After golfing, it would hurt. I would start cramping up. I couldn't walk.
So just flare up after activity.
Yeah.
You just
I couldn't do anything. It got to the point where I couldn't boat. I couldn't be on the water. I couldn't do any physical activity. I couldn't even ride my bike down the road.
How was like going from sitting to standing? Was that very painful too?
The sitting from standing was, and in the beginning it was hard, but after the pain medicine it helped a lot because the swelling went down and stuff like that.
It was just the one side, and it was just in
the
that
right
lower
side.
top of the buttock,
Yes.
just below the belt line.
Yes.
And did you have to sit to one side?
Yeah, I was always leaning like this on my left side.
That's
yeah.
pretty typical, right?
So I still find myself slanting to the left now because I think my couch leans a little to the left. But yeah.
So we used a newer technique on you called a CornerLoc CornerLoc fusion. The reason was, as I explained, was that I didn't think a single bone dowel was going to be adequate for you, being a big guy and being as vigorous as you are. So what I did is I actually came from the top here. I put a bone dowel from the top and a bone dowel from the bottom, and it was more of a locking procedure with coming from the top of the joint and the bottom of the joint. And so between the two bony fusions, it's a much more stable approach. And I think you noticed pretty immediate
Almost
improvement.
immediately. Probably as soon as I came out of anesthesia, I felt a big difference.
So not only, of course you got pain medicines or anesthesia, but
Sure.
that pain relief has been sustained for 2 weeks now?
Yeah, I've been doing more walking than I have in the last 5 years.
Wow, that's really amazing.
It's incredible.
And so, it's gonna be, 3 months till it's fully fused, but
Right.
but you should be able to start doing more and more, I think.
I'm already doing more and more.
Yeah,
Believe
you're
it or
gonna
not,
walk more and more, and that's
Yeah.
what I want you to do.
My dogs are bugging me to take them for a walk. Yeah, it's
That's
crazy.
great, that's great. So, and you're taking less pain medicines?
Yeah, it's starting to
and
come
all
back.
that.
Hopefully I'll be completely off of that in the next couple months.
Incredible,
Pretty exciting.
Incredible.
Yeah.
Wow, good.
Yeah.
Well, I think you're gonna continue to do really well, and I think it's gonna be a great answer for you.
Thanks for everything.
You're very welcome.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.